Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrita. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find what my channel is all about, as well as you can find the social media links so that you can give your suggestions to me through social media or even through comments as well. So, today we are going to see the slokam of Asamyuta hastas. So, we have already seen this Asamyuta hastas. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put the link over here. Just go and check it out. So today we are going to see the Asamyuta hastas sloka. So yeah, let's get into the video without further ado.
पताकः त्रिपताको अर्धपताकः कर्तरीमुखः मयूराख्यो अर्धचन्द्र स्टाप्यारालः सुखतुण्डकः मुष्टिष्ठ शिखराकश्च कपित्तः कटकामुखः सूची चन्द्रकला पद्मकोशकः सर्पशिराष्टस्थदा मृगशीरुषः सिंहमुखः काङ्गूल्य शालपद्मकः चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव हंसास्यो हंसपक्षकः संदंसो मुकुलश्चैव ताम्रचूलकः त्रिशूलकः
संयुतहस्तानां हस्ताविंशतिरिवीता. So I've done it with a single hand. It's actually a single hand gesture, but we do it with both the hands, separating it. So I've explained everything in the previous video, so you please check down that and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for new tutorials as well as performance videos.